Good morning, students. In today's class, we will go through the same chapter, that is chapter 6, Weather and Climate. We have already done 3 question answers, detailed question answers of weather and climate. Now today we will do 2 question answers. More are left. Total 5 question answers are there. So we will do that. Weather influences the climate one, and the 2 points of each 7 major climatic zones. We have to write 2 points each. The last question, 5th question. So we have to list the 7 major climatic zones with 2 points, 2 features of each one. So it is a bit long one, but it is easy to learn because it is in points. Okay. And hope you have completed your work. 1 to 5 chapter at least you have to complete it. And on 14th you know that you have to come to the school for the classwork checking, for the copy checking, fair copies. So you all have to be there, and complete your diagrams also, and one map work of first chapter, that also you have to complete it. So today I'll explain you the 2 question answers of it, and then again we'll take the revision test from 1 to 5 chapters, whatever short question answers or detailed question answers or exercises. So we will go through that also. Okay. So let's get started. And many of you have not shown me the diagram of chapter 6. 2 seasons have, only few students have shown me. Others have still not shown me. Class 5B and class 5E. They don't even show the classwork also. Some students only show it. Others don't show me. So please complete your work and show it to me. Whatever work is given in the class work, that you have to show in the group, and complete your whatever work is given in your SST copy or SST book. So complete it all. Okay. So let's get started. So students, these 3 question answers differentiate between weather and climate. How does altitude above the sea level affect the climate of a region? And why is the equator so hot? Till this you have completed it. Now today we will go through question 4 of detail of chapter 6, Weather and Climate. So the question is, how do ocean currents regulate weather? Means ocean currents, how do they play a role in weather condition? So ocean currents can warm up or chill down regions depending upon their source. Okay, ocean currents can make the area hot, or it can make the area cool depending upon their source, from where it is coming. When the warm ocean currents come to the cooler shores, they warm up the area. On the other hand, when cold currents reach warm areas, they cool these areas. Okay, so it is simple that if ocean currents come to the cooler shores, from cooler area it is coming, then they when the warm ocean currents come to the cooler shores, they warm up the area. And on the other hand, when cool currents, when the cold wind is blowing, then it cools the area. If it is hot winds blowing, then it will make the area hot, and if cold wind is blowing, it make the area cool. So the ocean currents can warm up or chill down regions depending upon their source. When the warm ocean currents come to the cooler shores, they warm up the area. On the other hand, when cold currents reach warm areas, they cool these areas. Then question 5. List 2 features each of the 7 major climatic zones. So we have there are 7. I had told you 7 major climatic zones are there. So we have to list down the features. 2 points we have to write each of it. Like tropical wet. So it is a seasonless climatic zone. 1 point is this. And it receives about 80 inches of average annual, see I had forgotten it, so annual rainfall. It receives about 80 inches of average, annual means yearly rainfall. Then we come to the desert zone, climatic zone. It is a dry climatic area zone, and it receives less than 10 inches of an annual rainfall. Here it is 80 inches of average annual rainfall, and here it is 10 inches of annual rainfall. Then this one is cut because it is of the same part. So that you will not do. This Mediterranean. So the third one is Mediterranean. This zone is centered around the Mediterranean Sea and this zone is characterized by dense human settlement and excellent agricultural production. Because of its climate, there is a dense population live over here and agricultural production is more over here. Then fourth one is humid subtropical. So what about this? This zone experiences hot and humid summer and mild to cooler winter. Means the summer is hot and humid and the winter is mild and cool. This region is suitable for cultivation of rice. Okay. Now we come to the marine west coast. This is the fifth one. So this zone has a moderate temperature because it is near the sea area. So it has the moderate temperature, neither too hot, neither too cold. And due to its proximity to the ocean, because it is near the ocean, so this zone remains cloudy, foggy and damp. Damp means wetty around the year. Means the whole year it is cloudy, foggy and damp. Marine west coast. Then we come to the sixth one, that is tundra. This is the freezing treeless zone of the earth. It is the freezing treeless zone means here the whole year there is full of snow, full of ice. That is why no trees are found here. So this is the freezing treeless zone of the earth. And second point is summer is very short over here and winter is very harsh. Then we come to the seventh one, humid continental. This climatic zone is home to 4 distinct seasons. Here 4 distinct seasons exist with hot summer and cold winter. Okay. This climatic zone is home to 4 distinct seasons with hot summer and cold winter. Then the B1 is, second point is deciduous forests are found in this region. Because of all the seasons are there, so here forest is also there, that is deciduous forest, it is found in this region. So students, you will do this 4th, 5th, both these question answer in your SST fair copy after the 1, 2, 3 question. If there is page remaining over here, blank page, then you can write it from there only, continue from there only. Otherwise you can use next page and you will write the date over here. Okay. So you complete it and show it to me in the group. You know that black question with black and answer with blue.